Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two trading platforms, which is eToro and Kraken. So let's quickly dive into it. But before that, this video is based on collective data review. So let's quickly get started. eToro is great for beginners who want a simple platform with social trading features. You can copy top investors, trade crypto and stock in one place, and even enjoy a clean interface. However, fee can be higher and serious traders may find its tools limited. Talking about Kraken on the other hand is built for experienced crypto users. It offers low fee, more coins, and a strong security features, but the interface can feel technical for newcomers. So, if you want ease and social investing, go with eToro. For depth and control, you can simply opt in for Kraken, and that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.